It is time for another disconnected layered haircut. Now, as you can see, I've got the top of the haircut sectioned off from the temple all the way to the back. That top part's what's going to be disconnected from the right side of the head. It's going to hang over the right side of the head. So what I'm doing here is cutting the right side as short as my fingers can go. So I'm going to establish these layers on the right side, removing a lot of the bulk, a lot of the weight, so that when the top hangs over, it's got a more leaner look versus a bubbly, full look. So I'm going to continue cutting these layers throughout the sides, then the back, and then we can bring the top down to hang over the right side. Alright, so now I'm cutting the right side of the head, but behind the ear. I've already done the right side of the head in front of the ear. As you can see, I'm now carrying these layers all the way back to the center back of the head. So I'm going to finish layering the right side, then I will continue to layer the left side. Alright, so as you can see, we've now brought down the top to hang over the right side. I'm basically just going through and establishing the new length, establishing the new outline, trimming up that top so it doesn't hang too long, too low, keeping it lighter. And I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm also blending that line with the back. So even though this is disconnected on the right side, I don't want it disconnected in the back. I do, right here you can see I'm blending the top with the upper half of the back. So by blending the top with the upper half of the back, it keeps the back portion of this haircut fluid and connected. It's just disconnected on the right side. All right, now I'm layering the left-hand side, not a whole lot to explain here. Pretty much doing the exact same thing I did on the right side, just going through and layering through my fingers. So now that the layering is done, I'm just simply taking the points of my scissors and chipping in the desired outline that I'm looking for at the neck area. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can see the top has that length that hangs over the right side. We've layered the right side, I should say the sides and back, so they're not full and thick. It's got more of a leaner, layered look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And thank you so very much again for watching.